Hello, AI lover and data science enthusiast. Do you want to become a full-time data scientist with expertise in data scraping and data mining? Well, let's start with a quick introduction. Data scraping, also called web scraping, is one of the most efficient ways to retrieve data from the web. It's the process of importing data from a website into a local file or spreadsheet that's saved on your computer. Data mining is the next step. In data mining, you analyze data to find valuable insights. Data scraping is crucial in the business universe, and this is especially so for the organizations that are dependent on data-driven decision-making. Let's look at just a few different data scraping applications in the real world today. From price intelligence data collection to fetching product data in e-commerce, competition research to monitoring consumer sentiment, brand monitoring to data-driven portfolio management, building a product to market research, and lead generation to lead prioritization, the applications of data scraping are truly varied. So, there's no doubt that data scraping and data mining are indispensable skills that a data scientist needs to master. And this course will help you in broadening your toolkit as a professional data scientist. And considering the importance of data scraping and data mining in today's workplace, this course is easily a game changer. This Learning by Doing course from AI Sciences starts with a brief introduction to data scraping and some real-world applications of data scraping. The course then covers in detail 3 web scrapers: Beautiful Soup, Scrapy, and Selenium. Now, you may be thinking, how will this short course with just 6 sections help me to learn all the fundamentals of data scraping and data mining? Here is the major difference between this course from AI Sciences and all the other courses on the subject. The main focus is on the 4 mini projects: building a movie recommender system by getting live data from IMDb, scraping IMDb, getting products information from Hugo Boss, language translation system using deepeye.com. These projects will help you to gain a clear understanding of data scraping and data mining. And you'll be using Python all along. Hurry up and enroll now. We are sure that you will enjoy this Learning by Doing course.